27. Well, thank you for taking the time to say hello to me. I appreciate that, and I'll wish you the very best. You have yourself a great weekend coming up. 27, Detroit, Michigan, 999, British Columbia, back on the side.
And no, FCC, that whatever he was, 27 Michigan's not me. I'm here. I'm sitting with my phone in my hand while he QSOs with my man here.
World Radio Zero, and I missed the rest of it there. The World Radio Station 999 returning to you.
And now this 999, British Columbia is where he's at. He's running a Ranger 2995 and a microphone made by God Bob Heil. You know what, man? There's more fun to be had here than on the ham radio 10 meter band. And I don't even transmit. I'm not transmitting squat. Not until the FCC grows a pair and takes action on my ticket. You listening, FCC? Washington State and British Columbia are just pounding in here. This fellow, oh, you haven't heard him yet.
The Rangers, well, you know, not all radios are for all people, that's for sure. 999 British Columbia, wishing you guys all the best as well.
999 British Columbia, huh? This is interesting. This is 20 kilohertz above the top of the American 40 channel CB radio band. And it's interesting what you hear. It's kind of a marriage of ham radio and CB radio. You hear a lot of CB audio, and that's not such a bad thing when you want to work weak signals or DX, whatever. There's a lot of CBers that have some huge audio presence. A lot of hams could take a lesson from. Dang. My recording got stopped by a nag to turn on location access. Damn. Is the FCC watching my video before I even post it to the internet? Damn. Where do I live? In Michigan or China? Yeah, anyway, I digress. You hear a marriage of ham radio and CB radio with huge CB radio audio presence and ham radio lingo. I've heard a little CB radio lingo too. And it sounds natural. Is this the future of ham radio? Is this the future of CB radio? They're all one and the same after all, aren't they? HF radio enthusiasts who get off on working DX. And if you do want to work DX, that's where you find it. 73.